I know you're really scared and angry that someone has scammed money out of you, and you want to find them and exact revenge or payback. Unfortunately, this will likely end up with you in hot water for doing something illegal, which ultimately defeats the purpose. Naturally, the best source of trying to get your money back is to report this to the authorities or law enforcement. In Australia, the service is Report Cyber, which you can access at www.cyber.gov.au/report, which is part of the Australian Cyber Security Centre or ACSC. Once you've reported this through Report Cyber, you'll be given a reference number which in Australia you can then take to your local state police to get them to investigate further. This would potentially help get your bank involved more as well, as the police will have greater powers than yourself or any other civilian. Along with this, in Australia you can be a hero and help others from falling victim to the same scam by reporting this to ScamWatch, which is www.scamwatch.gov.au. Would it be a ridiculous ask of me for you to take 5 minutes from your very busy day, be a hero and share this video with others so they know what to do if they fall victim?